Hey, my fault, y'all. I wanted to come to show y'all a quick $10 meal I found tonight, right? At, yes, Food Line. I shop at Food Line. So, look, they had this. It was $9.06. Since they trying to get it off and it needs to be cooked by tomorrow or something, they got it for $6. So, of course, I'm going to take that, right? $1.20 or $1.30, $1.75, $1.75, like $3. So it came up to like $9. Quick $10 meal, man. Chicken and rice. Alright, y'all, so look, I'm doing 2 right here on the stove. And I got 2 in the air fryer. We're gonna cook them to about 150. And then we're gonna set that rice up. Alright, y'all, that chicken done. So look, I threw the mushroom with the chicken and broccoli in there, right? Look, that's how they, yeah, on that plate right there, yes. And then look, the air fryer version right there. So look, I'm about to throw this in this pot with some water, and we about to whip up that rice with that. Ooh, I'm about to show y'all something. Hold on. Look, I mixed that water and I mixed that cream of chicken and mushroom soup in there, right? So now, throw the chicken in there. One of the ones from the skillet, and the other one from the air fryer. So you see the difference, right? So I got both of them flipped over. Now I could put the other 2 in there, but I want to taste them outside of this, so that's why I'm saving those. Let's take a look at that $10 meal. Okay. She piping hot. She got a lot of cooking down to do. Oh, not really, y'all. Look how thick that is up under there. You gotta separate and mix that joint up. Yeah. You see how I did that though, y'all, right? We got the air fried version and the skillet version. Shout out to 4TB Kennels, y'all hear my dog's on alert right now, so obviously somebody's around and they're alerting me of that. So shout out to 4TB Kennels. But yeah, we mix all that together, y'all. $10 meal. I can feed 5, maybe 6 with this meal for $10. And yeah, I made a little mess. I'll get it up. Matter of fact, that's your taste. Real cooks, that's your taste test. Oh my, oh shit. Oh man. Oh yeah, y'all. Yeah, I'm him. I'm really him. I done really gave y'all a gem. I'll start breaking that chicken up in there. Oh man, that's him, y'all. Ooh. I'm gonna keep this rolling. I was gonna stop it. Make it short or something. No, I'm gonna show y'all this one. This one, him. I hope y'all seen and did everything. Turn that down a little bit more. Slow it down. It's already done, actually, but I want to chop that chicken up and get that all the same temperature all the way through to the bones and all that. You see it's falling off. Anyway, it's actually chopping up. So I'm gonna mix that in with that chicken and rice for real. You underdid? It was gonna be just thighs on top of it, but I done switched my mind now. How it broke up. I don't wanna choose sides on the air fryer or on top of the stove. See, that skin gonna stick, so we gonna cut that. Yeah, you see what's going on, man. $10 meal, real quick, real easy. Comment, like, subscribe. Give me the 1K. Give me the 1K subscribers. Alright, so that's how it looks, y'all. $10 meal, real quick, real easy. It actually turned out, this is my first time. I just did it off the whim, man. This is how I do. That's why y'all see I never had no recipes almost all the time. But this one, I might dial in the recipe because I know exactly what I did do. I kept it real basic on this, so recipe should be in the description. Real good. Real good. Real good, y'all. Real good. $10. You can feed at least 4. I said 5. I believe 5. At least 5 people. About 5. Either way, listen. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel. Get us to 1K. Get us to 1K. It's time to eat.